Hi, welcome back to the Reload Bench. Don't mind the mess, I've got some stuff laid out for some videos that I might be shooting here in the future. Today's video is about the package I got in the mail today from Gear Websites. So, on Fridays, Gear Websites offers Free Patch Friday. With any order, they throw in a free random patch. In addition, on Friday, the individual who runs Gear Websites announced on, I believe it was Foul Territory on Gizzard Gary's Friday night show, that if you purchase a certain patch, he would throw in a certain other patch for free. So, on Friday night, about 11:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the only time zone that matters, I placed an order with Gear Websites. So that should qualify for both things. And it's Wednesday, so it took about 3 days to ship from Tucson to the Detroit area. That's not really bad at all. It comes in a bubble package like all the other orders I've placed, which protects it. Let's go ahead and open it up and see if I got 2 free items. All right. Let's carefully open this up. As I cut off the end of the packing slip. Almost chopped up the patches there. Go ahead and dump all that out. So, it's the obligatory letter that's stapled together that says, please post your pictures on Instagram and Gunstreamer and tag it with your websites. And it's a handwritten note here, thanks for the support. And there's a little logo here that says Free Patch Friday. So let's find out. So what I ordered was, I believe this one. This is the 2020 Second Amendment flag patch. And he said, if you ordered it, you would get the 2019 for free. And I did. I believe he also said he'd throw in this limited edition blue Every Second Matters patch, which seems to be very popular right now. So, I did pretty good there. However, where's the rest of the order? I ordered a 4-pack of Every Second Matters patches. And I paid for a 4-pack of Every Second Matters patches. Also, it was on the order confirmation that I got via email. I guess it's up to me to contact Gear Websites and ask, where's the rest of the patches? If they're out of stock, I'm okay with paying for them as long as I get them in a reasonable amount of time. I don't want to get them 3 months or 6 months from now. If it was a screw up in the order, I expect it to be corrected and quickly. So, I'm going to send an email to gearwebsites.com and see if I can get this straightened out. We'll be back with the results. I went back through my emails to double check, and I have a shipment confirmation that says I was getting the complete order and I was billed for the complete order. I have a follow-up email that shows this item, which included these items, as a quantity of 1, but the other item, the 4-pack of Every Second Matters patches, as a quantity of 0. There is an email that you can send for inquiries for any sort of issues included at the bottom of every email I got with regard to my purchase from Gear Websites. So I just sent an email with a copy of the order number and the items. I just more or less did a reply and asked when I could expect the other items. So I'll let you know what sort of response I get, if any, and how long it takes before I get the rest of my patches. So this is kind of off the cuff, no tripod, no nothing, because I'm kind of in a hurry. I'm about to leave for work, and after work I'm taking off for Pennsylvania to go to a Second Amendment event. And I had previously shot the video about unboxing the package from Gear Websites, and the 4-pack of Every Second Matters patches weren't in there. So I sent an email inquiry about it, and we were emailing back and forth. More or less, he refunded my credit card and said that he was going to send some other patches. And I wasn't expecting them to get here. That was on Wednesday, and this is coming all the way from Tucson. It's Friday. I was not expecting anything to get here, if at all, let alone in 2 days, in time for me to leave to go to Pennsylvania tonight. So let's just see what all we got here from Gear Websites. Look at this. 4 Every Second Matters patches in blue for me to take to Pennsylvania to give away. I might keep one extra for myself, I don't know yet, but this is customer service. He refunded the other package, which I'm going to attempt to reorder that at a later point. Maybe they were showing in stock, but they weren't in stock. I guess he gets that from another vendor, and I guess it drop ships from them. So I will try to order that 4-pack that comes in 4 different colors at a later point. But this is customer service right here. I mean, making sure that I have got these. I mean, I literally came back from the bank to get cash for the trip, and I'm about to turn around and go out the door, and I probably won't be coming back tonight. I'm probably going to leave directly from work, and it got here just in time. So I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with the level of service. I'm really impressed with the customer support here from Gear Websites. I was not expecting this at all. So, it says, sorry for the mix-up. There's nothing to be sorry about. This is going above and beyond, I've got to say. So, I still want to buy more patches off the website, and I hope more things come in stock. That's been my biggest frustration over the years with Gear Websites, is things I want to buy are not in stock. I would buy more if more stuff was available, but I don't know. I'm just really excited. This is great. So all of these, or most of these, will be given away tomorrow, I hope. Or I will mail them to some people. So one way or another, all of these or most of these will get passed on. So there's my experience with Gear Websites ordering patches. I hope some other people take this information and use it to make their decision on where they'd like to spend their money on a Second Amendment related item from a pro-Second Amendment business. Thanks for watching.